Happy Saturday. Saturday morning. I'm in my siren. Reinstalling the railing. I'm just on my final tightening. Heidi was out helping me with the positioning. Last one. There we go. That's good. We have new finished railings on. A big plus. Now I think we're just gonna wrap up, throw some stuff in here, and we'll head out to the yacht club. They don't look too bad. Neither does that. Here's one of the things I had to use. It says silicone. I used a little bit of silicone in the holes for the screws. Typically, I don't do that. Better. The more you rub the schmoo around on the lens, it gives a better picture. Anyways, used the silicone schmoo in the hole to make sure it doesn't leak. I had some leaking happening there, and I'll show you why. What happens is, focus. This is one of the old screws. You can see that there's butyl wrapped around it. There's a better example. Oh, look at that. There's butyl wrapped around. It's up near the top of the screw. It's not down here. This is where it goes through the cabin. So, with this, what happened was the butyl got wrapped around and it left a little hole for water to come in. This isn't good. And what you can do to stop that is you can tighten it down again. You can do that a number of times with butyl, and it's great for that. I put silicone up into the hole just so that it surrounds the screw in the hole, and that'll stop any leaking. I've also got butyl on the top. So that's what you want to see. You want to see butyl squeezing out. You can see a little bit of silicone there too. That's okay. So that's good and tight. That's perfect. Sailboat, little girl, new hat.
Look so bad.
I like them.
Do?
They're just cooked in a little cup thing that makes them that size, so they fit perfectly on these. The little boat's out of the yacht club again. Got it ready to go in the water. These are the original Gungeions. You install 2 more over here. I don't know if I'll do it today or tomorrow. Probably I should do it today because I'm putting it in the water tomorrow. I'll have to come back. Okay, we'll do that. Hey, look, I'm back in the garage. We took off this morning to go and go be part of this yacht club pirate poker run thing today. I got the date wrong. It's tomorrow. Oh well, but I got the boat out there. It's rigged. The railings are on it. I don't have the gunions on it, but I'm going to get things together, and I think I'll put the gunions on later today. So I'm going to pack up some tools. I didn't have anything with me, or didn't have the right tools with me. Just whipping up a quick backing board for the gunions. It's nothing special. There's my 2 backing boards, 2 gunions, bag of hardware. I'm just going to get the screwdriver that'll fit that, and a wrench that'll fit that. If I can find it. Well, I'm heading back out to the yacht club. Got some tools with me. I'm going to install that gunions. The gunion. It's loud. Working on my gunions placements. Where'd they go? It's leaning. Gotta straighten it. Gunions. Would you look at that? It's a wiring mess. My battery's moved. And, oh well. Anyways, bottom gunion, top gunion. I put blocks there, of course, because I need the support. And I put silicone behind the blocks. And butyl on the other side. We will have no leaks. Oh, it got me looking. Look at this. This is where my other gungeon's attached. That's barely on there. What's this top one like? Yeah. I think this calls for some new screws, or bolts, I mean, and maybe some washers. Jeez, look at that. Okay. There's the outboard bracket bolts on, and my fancy electrical system. This is the original electrical system. Done. I forgot about this switch. This is the original system. So it's the on-off switch for the lights. It only had a bow and a stern light. Nothing in the cabin. I've installed all that, and the mast light, and the charging system, and all that fun stuff. So that's it. That's my offset. Gained 18 inches, which is okay. That'll be enough room for the bow of a dinghy to stick out, and not be in interference with the slipstream of the wind coming straight down through here. Decided to put the boat in. I may as well. I already had it hooked to the car, and I did that because I didn't bring a jack stand for the back. So let's just plop it in the lake. That's how you launch the boat by yourself. Okay, I'm just going to take the boat over to my dock, tie it up, and we'll be good. good to go for tomorrow. Just have to put the boom and the sails on. This would have been a great spot to watch all those airplanes. If you wanted to watch airplanes. I don't. Let's head over to my dock. It's over there. I've unhooked the fuel line. So I'll let that run out of fuel. And we're good. Time. It's all ready for tomorrow. Look at that little boat. It's the same as my Botex. Okay. I've got the trailer ready. I'm going to drop it off here in the woods. That's where I keep my trailer. In the woods. Well, I'm back in the garage. I've lit the barbecue and I've got my mast support here. This is from the Siren. One of the things I failed to take into consideration when designing this Gungeion things were the fasteners and how far the fasteners would stick out. I have to trim these back. They stick out, or the fasteners stick out, I don't know, millimeter, 2 millimeters. So I'm going to do a little drawing and a little bit of grinding. I don't know if I'll do it tonight or dress kind of nice. There's my lines. I'm just going to trim that off with the grinder. Yeah. It looks like I'll get at that tomorrow. We should be sailing tomorrow. Let's hope. Thanks for watching. Please click clicky things. And what do you think of those wieners? Hey? Hey? Those are barbecued wieners. Chicken wieners. Only the best. Tell your mom to get her barbecue going. These things are delicious.